The cell is creating more cells in our human body.
Hmm.
Uh, it is on the skin in the human body. It is called atom. It is known as.
No. You mess, आपने cross link कर दिया चीजों को. The thing you should be saying for the cell, you set it for atom, and the thing you should say for atom, you set it for cell. Okay, let me explain it again. Human body. I gave you an example of biology. कि हम how we are made up of. If we are talking about matter, is made up of something else. It's not made up of cells. Okay. Think of in chemistry, atom is the thing which made up matters. Okay. Atom is a very single unit. Atom is a very single unit. It's very small that we cannot even see it. Okay. Now, when these atoms combine together, atom which combine together and form a compound later on made up the matter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. For the cell that we study in biology. Okay, biology is the another branch of science where we study about cells and how humans are made. You are made up of cell, not atoms. Okay, the phone which you are having, from which you are taking this class, that is made up of atom. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Living things are made up of cells, but which things are non-living, they are made up of atoms. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now explain the atom again. What atom is?
Atom.
Atom. Yeah, atom. Explain the atom. Which
This
atom?
the cell in human body. It we cannot see it. We cannot see it, and and it is only one in the human body. Is known as atom.
No, actually, you are not understanding it clearly. Which point you are not getting? Tell me that. Because you are, correlating two things. That's not it. You are saying the thing for atom in the concept of cells. Which part you are not getting? Tell me that. I will explain you.
You can explain once again atom.
Okay, I will explain you atom once. Now, this time I'm not correlating it with cell, only understand what is atom. For example, I am having these paper. This paper, no, not this paper. Okay, we get take this example of this air product. This is a matter. This matter is made up of small atoms which are very small in size that combines together to form compound and later on make this matter. Okay, so this matter is made up of small single unit which are known as atom. Okay, okay. Now explain me again what I said. Give me the definition of atoms again.
The atom.
Hmm. Hello. Explain
Yes, ma'am.
whatever you understand, just tell me. Even if you said a word, I will just take it as a response. Just tell me whatever you understand.
I understood that this the atom is the present in the human body like cell.
Atom is not present in human body. Human body is made up of something else. It is cell. Okay, it's a different concept. I gave you that an example. Like we are made up of something. Just like that, the other things around us are also made up of something. Okay, the cell concept, just take it away from the concept of atom. Okay, we study the cell concept in biology, not in physics and chemistry. Okay, I gave you that and only as example. Okay, just understand atom, that atom is a single unit. It is only one unit. Okay, atom is only one unit.